On the first day of the Delhi Assembly session, the Aam Aadmi Party has made a big charge on the Delhi government. Leader of opposition Atishi said that the photos of Baba Saheb Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh have been removed from the Chief Minister's office after the election. Atishi has said that it shows the anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh attitude of the BJP. Well, the Aam Aadmi Party had installed photos of both B.R. Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh in Delhi government offices earlier, and Atishi has now claimed that these photos were removed. The BJP, however, says that it has been done as per the protocol, and photos of the President, the Prime Minister and Mahatma Gandhi have been placed inside the Chief Minister's office.
सब जानते हैं कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी एक दलित विरोधी पार्टी है। आज भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने अपनी असली मानसिकता का प्रमाण, दलित विरोधी मानसिकता का प्रमाण देश के सामने रख दिया है। जैसा आप जानते हैं, दिल्ली सरकार ने अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के मार्गदर्शन में दिल्ली सरकार के हर कार्यालय में बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर और शहीद भगत सिंह की फ़ोटो लगाई थी। उन्होंने ये दोनों फ़ोटो सीएम कार्यालय से हटा दी हैं, और ये आज की फ़ोटो है जब हमारे विधायक दल मिलने गए, और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये वही सीएम कार्यालय है, और इस सीएम कार्यालय से बाबा साहब भीमराव अंबेडकर की तस्वीर हटा दी गई है, शहीद आज़म भगत सिंह की तस्वीर हटा दी गई है।
देखिए, अपने भ्रष्टाचार को, अपनी कारगुजारियों को बाबा साहब के पीछे, आदरणीय हमारे शहीद भगत सिंह जी के पीछे छिपाने का ये इनका प्रपंच है। आप खुद स्वयं इस कमरे में हैं। जो सरकार के हेड हैं, क्या उनकी तस्वीर नहीं लगनी चाहिए? देश की राष्ट्रपति की तस्वीर क्या नहीं लगनी चाहिए? क्या देश राष्ट्र के पिता कहे जाने वाले महात्मा गांधी जी की तस्वीर नहीं लगनी चाहिए? भगत सिंह जी, बाबा साहब, सब हमारे देश के वो परोधा हैं जो हमारे लिए पूजनीय हैं, आदरणीय हैं और मार्गदर्शक है। तो ये कमरा दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री का है, और हमने सरकार के हेड के नाते उनको स्थान दिया है, और इनकी बातों का जवाब देना मेरा काम नहीं है।
तो कहना है कि सीएम के रूम से भीमराव अंबेडकर और भगत सिंह की जो वो फोटो हटा दी गई।
देखिए, वो तो इस तरह की रोज नौटंकियां करेंगे। अब उन लोगों का मकसद केवल और केवल हार के बाद हताशा है।
Alright, so these are new photographs now that have been released by the BJP. Those are on your TV screens there, in which you can clearly see that there are photos of Bhagat Singh as well as B.R. Ambedkar, and the photos of Mahatma Gandhi, also the President and the Prime Minister. These photos have been released by the BJP here. All right, my colleague Ishika is now joining us on the broadcast here. Ishika, so we've heard the Delhi Chief Minister also, and these photos now that have been accessed also by NDTV clearly shows that there are still photos of Bhagat Singh as well as B.R. Ambedkar, and other than photos of Mahatma Gandhi, the Prime Minister and President. The BJP, we do understand, has also said that it's not just the Chief Minister's office, but other ministers' rooms also where these portraits have been placed.
Well, yes, in fact, after the leader of the opposition, Atishi, in fact, had leveled this, charge that the portraits of rather Bhimrao Ambedkar and also, in fact, Bhagat Singh has been removed from the Chief Minister's office. Now these pictures have been released by the BJP, where, in fact, they say that the portraits of rather, both of them, Baba Bhimrao Ambedkar and Bhagat Singh have been, are there, in fact, on the other wall. But what is the addition here is the portraits of Narendra Modi, the Prime Minister, the President and Mahatma Gandhi is what they are saying. So BJP has now rubbished the claims of the Aam Aadmi Party and also the LOP, Atishi. Remember that this happened, in fact, when Atishi and the other Aam Aadmi Party MLAs went to meet the Chief Minister, Rekha Gupta. That is when, in fact, they clicked the picture and they continue to allege that, in fact, BJP having anti-Dalit and anti-Sikh mentality have, removed these portraits. And in fact, we saw the ruckus also in the house over this entire matter. But now BJP, by releasing these pictures, saying the portraits are very much there on the other wall, have now rubbished these claims. Over to
All
you.
right.